Hello again to another R video lightning talks. Yesterday we had shown how to use the R4O binaries together with an Ubuntu 18.04 container. At the time that I was taping this, the Docker Hub was still building the 2004 container that I'd also prepared, and it makes a few things a little easier and quicker. So I'm just going to show how it runs with that. So we're doing the same as yesterday. On the terminal, I'm using the alias that's defined in the slides. It's just a wrapper around docker run with rm/ti options and mounting of the current work directory, which, as you see, I did in my Git repository, because we'll need that in a moment for an illustration. And because this container was actually produced yesterday evening, the delta is relatively quick. So if we just do the usual first step after firing it up and doing an apt-get update and dist upgrade, it runs really quickly. And better still, because we built this one fresh for the purposes of R4 testing, the slides were described in the video that's already up from yesterday, and we had to do a particular step of also adding the repository. This, for this container, is already taken care of, so we don't have to do anything else. If we look at what's installed here, we see that all the relevant R packages installed are already at the R2004 versions, and so is R itself. So let's take the same example as yesterday, go to package kitten and build it quickly. And again, if we check it, it will come back saying that, you know, a dependent package isn't there, and we can just do the same thing as yesterday and quickly, with the help of a little script I like for these use cases, install it. This will now, just like yesterday, when trying to bring all the 10 dependencies in, fail on curl and OpenSSL because the libraries aren't there, but we can, on an Ubuntu or Debian system, quickly fix this by installing the two missing libraries. Rinse, repeat. Now the R packages have all built dependencies there, and whoami is installed. Eventually, there it is. So now we can resume our check step, and this will now pass. It will, just like yesterday, fail when trying to put together the manual at the very end, because this container, like a few others that I built, does not contain a full TechLive installation. So when I check, I usually add these two attributes: no manual, no vignettes, and then we get a clean bill of health. That was also described in the slides. You know, we just went over the little steps. I have updated this slide as well, and with all of that, you now have a choice between two containers: a more conservative Ubuntu 18.04 with current R packages built for R4.0, all the base and recommended packages, as well as a brand new shiny one for Ubuntu 20.04, which itself is in final beta stages and will be released April 23rd. But if you want to test the two, go right ahead. There is now the our Ubuntu 20.04 container at the Docker Hub. So you'll find it in the usual places, and if you have Docker installed, you'll get it with standard our Ubuntu 20.04. That's it. Hope we'll get around to testing some R with these. Thanks for listening in.